Hi folks, Tim here from High End Cheap Tech. Last night I have been putting it off for ages. I finally ran the Windows 10 autumn or fall creators update, whatever you call it, on the Zotac here, which you might have gathered from the picture at the beginning. It took forever. So that'll be coming up right after this little intro. Basically, I'm making this out of boredom today. Usually on a Saturday I have some tech stuff to talk about. I can say I've watched, if you go through my liked videos, if you go to the channel page, you'll see a couple of Honor 8X videos I watched, and they were also very positive on the phone itself. It's a big phone. It's at a reasonable price. Not sure what it's going to be, if and when you can find it on Amazon. We know you can get it on eBay for like $240 something. In the meantime, just wanted to say hi, and hopefully before the end of the night we'll start seeing those OnePlus 6T quote hands-on videos drop. Mr. Who's the Boss just happened to be in China and did a video today. Yeah, about 6 minutes long. Didn't tell us or show us a damn thing. Everything was pixeled out. Couldn't see a thing. Had nothing to tell us. So, basically your best bet, wait till Monday. Let's get to the video right now. You might see something new during the opening. I've been playing around, doing a lot of learning on OpenShot. And frankly, I cannot wait to get a hold of a larger hard drive so I can move Win 10 onto one partition and Linux onto another, so I don't have to worry about doing updates until I'm ready. Let's get to it. Here comes the intro. Cue it up, boys. Why, yes, folks, I finally decided to do it. I ran basically out of my options as far as delaying it, so now we're updating the Zotac Ci323 to Windows 10 version 1803, I guess. Plus all these other updates I've been putting off. We're going to see how that works. I'll be back after the updates and we'll see just how long it takes. I got up at 2 in the morning to start this. I'm going to go take a nap and, well, maybe not much of a nap, but we'll see. Be back. So after waiting a whopping, I don't know, 40 minutes, no, almost an hour. Here we are at 18% installed on the feature update. It's still got like 18 others, and by the way, used up like 4 gig of my AT&T bandwidth. Remember, I don't have cable here. Yeah, thanks, micro crap. Thanks a lot. Oh yeah, a couple hours later, we're still sitting at 94%. Thanks, Microsoft, for making software this will only take a few minutes kind of software. That's why we love you. Oh my, only hours and hours later, we're finally to the reboot a million times phase. We'll see how this works out. You never know. So after, I don't know, 3 hours, looks like we're okay. This update was way too large. Took way too long to install. And I don't see a damn bit of difference. I'm sure something must be good about it. That's all I got for tonight.